Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. So guys, today's video is going to be iced mocha, and these are our ingredients. As you can see, we have milk, we have caramel sauce, ice cubes, sugar, we have coffee, we have chocolate syrup, and yeah, that's basically it. And you're also going to need hot water for dissolving the coffee and making it easy to dissolve it. So that's my hot water over there. I also have soy milk because one of my sisters is lactose intolerant, and that works for her. So yeah, so the first step is going to be dissolving your coffee inside the hot water. I used about 3 to 4 spoons, I can say that. Then you're just going to stir like that. Make sure this is hot water so that it can be easy for you. The next step, we are going to be adding in sugar. I'm adding in 2 teaspoons. You can add more if you like, but yeah, I like my coffee strong, so yeah, if it was me alone, I wouldn't even put the sugar, but it's okay this way. So guys, the next step is to put in your chocolate syrup. You can use any brand that you have, and you put as much as you like. If you like little, you just put a little bit of it. If you like it to be more, you put in the amount you want. And this one is for my small sister. She prefers caramel to chocolate, so we added in some caramel over there. You can add in caramel or chocolate as you wish. The next step, we are going to be adding in our milk. Yeah, more milk for her. So yeah, so guys, you're going to do that to all of them. Also guys, I'm not going to be making this video in Swahili because I feel like it's self-explanatory. So for my sister who's lactose intolerant, we are going to be using soy milk, and the same process, basically just a different type of milk. If you're lactose intolerant, you can use soy milk. Then the next step, I'm adding in my ice cubes. I'm going to be adding in 3 ice cubes. You can add more again if you like. So I'm just going to do the same to all of my glasses. If you have seen my whole video, I'm going to link it up here if you haven't seen it, and you can see where I purchased my glasses at a very cheaper price. Also guys, I know it's been a while since I uploaded a recipe video, or something of the sort, but yeah, I don't know, I don't have an excuse, or yeah, I don't know, but hopefully I'll be back with a bang. Anyway, the next step of this process is just adding in your coffee, the one that we prepared earlier, just like that. Again guys, the amount doesn't really matter. If you like coffee, you add in a lot of coffee. So that one I put in a tiny bit because it's for my small sister. To be honest, I sipped mine and I added in some coffee. Guys, I love coffee. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. As you can see, this is really simple, really quick to prepare, and amazingly delicious. I hope you've enjoyed. If you haven't subscribed yet, please guys, subscribe. It's free, it's totally free. And don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to leave me a like, a comment, and all that good stuff. Bye.